Vaccination for everyone. This is what people are demanding as the daily cases are now crossing the figure of 1 lakh. बट क्या इंडिया सबके लिए वैक्सीन खोल सकता है, और अगर हाँ तो किस तरीके से? लेट अस फाइंड आउट. More than 8 crore people in India have been vaccinated so far. The Indian government has allowed anybody above the age of 45 to go and get the vaccine. While it may be the step in the right direction, it is definitely not enough. This is because the second wave of COVID-19 is making records every day. The wave is said to be more severe than the last one. ऐसा इसलिए because it took 64 days for the first wave to reach 80,000 cases from 20,000 cases. But in the second wave, it took just 20 days. स्पीड देख रहे हो आप इन्फेक्शन की. अब इसके रीजंस बहुत हैं, फ्रॉम ओवर क्राउडिंग इन द इलेक्शन सीजन, फेस्टिवल्स, लैक ऑफ कोविड अप्रोप्रिएट बिहेवियर टू जस्ट फटीग. और इनके सोल्यूशंस भी बहुत हैं, जैसे कर्फ्यूज, लॉकडाउन, रिस्ट्रिक्शंस. बट इन सब सोल्यूशंस के बीच में एक सबसे इजी सोल्यूशन है वैक्सीनेशन, बिकॉज वी नो दैट वैक्सीन्स वर्क. मेनी स्टेट्स हैव ऑलरेडी रिटन टू द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट टू अलाउ वैक्सीनेशन फॉर ऑल एडल्ट्स. Delhi government has even made a claim that it has planned to vaccinate all citizens of the city in the first half of May if such a decision is taken. Indian Medical Association has written to PM Modi to open vaccination for everyone. तो भाई हम कर क्यों नहीं रहे? Is it easy? And what are the hurdles and solutions? Number 1. The biggest hurdle is a supply-demand situation. Luckily, India is one of the largest producers of vaccines. But there is a possibility that if India opens vaccination for all adults, there may not be enough doses for everyone. This may or may not come true. But the solution is to ramp up the production and approve more and more vaccines. India should approve vaccines like Pfizer, Moderna, Johnson & Johnson and Sputnik 5. When we have more options and enough stocks, such a situation wouldn't arise. Number 2. The second solution is to allow people to buy vaccine themselves. If not majority, but millions of people in India can actually afford to buy vaccines for themselves. In that case, if India approves foreign-made vaccines, these people can go and get vaccinated while the government can continue giving vaccines at affordable and subsidized price. Number 3. Opening up more vaccination sites. कोविन डैशबोर्ड के हिसाब से India has over 54,000 vaccination sites, of which majority of them are government sites. If vaccination is open for all, this may not be enough for everyone. Even though the government can increase the vaccination sites on its own, the best decision would be to allow private companies and corporates to vaccinate all their employees. These companies have the resources, they have the manpower, and such a decision can actually help us to kickstart the economy. Number 4. Reducing the vaccine hesitancy. Despite opening up vaccination for everybody above the age of 45, many people are still not taking it. This is where the government needs to improve its messaging. क्योंकि अगर आप वैक्सीन सबके लिए खोल भी दोगे और अगर लोग इसको लेंगे ही नहीं तो इस चीज का फायदा क्या? According to a study by Tata Consultancy Services and the National Institute of Industrial Engineering, even if India allows vaccination for all from April 15th, it would still take us another 6 to 7 months to vaccinate the entire country. 6 to 7 months is a long time and it has many ifs and buts, but it is true that massive vaccination can actually help us in this second wave of infections. Vaccine may not prevent people from getting COVID-19, but it will definitely help people from severe infections, hospitalizations and ultimately deaths. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to drop in a like and subscribe to India Times.